this morning. And this report speaks of a Kerala RTC bus that seems to be travelling from Payanur to Bengaluru, reportedly caught fire near a metro station, and this fire that were reportedly started from the bus engine that spread to the interiors of this vehicle. There you can see pretty dramatic pictures there, and what is being said that the driver and the conductor quickly rescued two passengers who were on board, and the fire emergency services were brought to the spot, and they managed to douse the blaze. Now this is the bus there from Payanur to Bengaluru that was gutted. Fortunately, no casualties or injuries that have been reported. There were two passengers on board, but as you can see, it's the front portion of the bus that has been affected the most. What has now been said that the fire that started from the bus engine and then spread to the interiors of the vehicle. Let's connect with Akshara on this. So Akshara, thankfully, there has been no injuries or casualties reported in this incident.
Well, yes, this incident has taken place last evening near Nyanbarthi campus, where you see a lot of footfall there, and fortunately, the bus driver and the conductor identified a technical snag which led to this particular smoke inside the bus, and quickly caught fire and spread to the interior of this particular bus. And there were two passengers, and the driver and the conductor immediately, ensured that they rescued them and got them outside the bus, and following which a fire emergency services pressed into service, and fortunately no casualties have been reported, and the fire emergency services have doused the fire, and no further investigation is underway as to why this particular what technical snag was there and what led to this particular fire in this bus.
All right. Well, this has now been reported last evening as the fire that reportedly started from the bus engine quickly spreading to the interiors of the vehicle. There you can see mostly when it comes to the front portion of the bus that has been gutted, and the driver and the conductor of the bus quickly acted upon it. Two passengers who were on board the bus were quickly deboarded, and the fire emergency services that rushed to the spot and managed to bring the fire under control. Thank you very much, Akshara, for joining us live here on the broadcast. In the meantime, viewers, we head into a very, very short break. You're watching Times Now. News and updates continue on the other side. Stay tuned.